Unleashing the power of connectivity, SpaceX's first batch of Starlink satellites. Ever wondered what it would be like to have internet access anywhere across the globe? SpaceX is making that possible. The Starlink project is SpaceX's ambitious attempt to deploy thousands of low-orbit satellites, creating a web of global connectivity. Launched from Falcon 9, this first batch of 60 satellites is a significant accomplishment, marking a stepping stone towards a connected future. But why Starlink? It's not just about internet access. It's about providing opportunities for remote education, global business, and even disaster relief. Given the potential impact, it's no wonder that SpaceX is investing heavily into the Starlink project, pushing the boundaries of technology. Stay tuned for updates as SpaceX propels us into the future, one satellite at a time. With Starlink, the sky is not the limit.